Welcome to my review of Strata Networks Internet Provider Usage Experience. All the links to the products mentioned in this video are available in the description below. In this review, I'll be covering the core features of Strata Networks Internet Service, my personal experience with its performance, and who it's best suited for. Strata Networks offers a variety of internet plans designed to serve both residential and business customers, with speeds ranging from 100 Mbps to 1 Gbps. Their fiber optic service provides fast, reliable, and consistent internet, making it ideal for activities like streaming, gaming, video conferencing, and more. During my time using Strata Networks, I found their connection to be stable with minimal downtime, which is crucial for anyone relying on a dependable internet service for work or entertainment. One of the highlights of Strata Networks is their customer service. Their team is responsive and helpful, offering 24/7 support if you ever run into any issues. The installation process was quick and easy, with no significant delays or complications. Strata Networks also offers additional services like home phone and TV, which can be bundled with their internet plans for added convenience and value. In terms of pricing, Strata Networks is fairly competitive for the level of service provided. They offer different pricing tiers depending on the speed and package you choose, making it easy to find an option that fits your needs and budget. However, it's important to note that their service area is more limited compared to some larger national providers, so availability may vary depending on your location. Overall, Strata Networks is a solid choice for those who live in its service area and need reliable, high-speed internet. Whether you're working from home, streaming movies, or gaming, Strata Networks delivers a consistent and fast connection. If you're interested in learning more, check the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.